Hey everybody, Ian here from Fraser Ford in Coburg. I just wanted to make a really quick video today to show you guys this really cool truck that we just got on our lot. As you may know, Ford just started employee pricing again for the first time in 4 years. We haven't done this since COVID, but what you might not know is we're even offering employee pricing on our Super Duty pickup trucks. So this one right here is a 2024 F-250 with a 7.3 liter gas V8. That engine, just so you know, offers best-in-class horsepower and best-in-class torque, so this is as good as it gets in terms of gas powertrains in this segment of vehicle. This one is a full crew cab with the 6 3/4 box. It is equipped with the fifth wheel gooseneck prep package. In terms of towing capabilities, which is what most people buy these trucks for, you're looking at 17,700 pounds conventional and between 17.4 and 17.6 gooseneck fifth wheel. So I'm just going to show you this prep package here real quick. So it's ready to go. It also has the camper package, it has the snowplow prep package, so whatever you need this truck to do, it's going to be able to do it. You've got your rear defrost up there, rear sliding window, you've got your BoxLink cargo management system and LED box lights. This one's also equipped with the XLT Premium Package. The XLT Premium Package is going to give you a whole bunch of features that are pretty desirable nowadays. So it's going to include Sirius XM radio, B&O sound system, blind spot sensors, reverse sensing system, remote start, 360 camera, heated seats, and more. And as you can see, you got that really nice big 12-inch touchscreen display, which offers wireless Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay. So in terms of pricing on this unit, you'll be looking at an MSRP of $88,265. However, we have this marked down by $10,194, giving you a total price of $78,071 plus tax and licensing. Amazing deal on this truck. Give me a call if you're interested.